Hi guys, welcome back to Africa Queens channel. Thank you so much for those who are watching my videos. I really appreciate it. And my returning subscribers, I can't thank you enough. I always appreciated for returning and watching my videos. Thank you for your love, thank you for your support. My new subscribers, thank you for stopping by. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, turn on your notification bell. Whenever I upload any video, you will be the first to be notified. I'm back again with another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I always wash fridge. First of all, I had to remove everything in the fridge before I start washing, and I put in another fridge, and I leave it for 24 hours. And the following day, if all the ice has melted, I have to start washing the fridge. Like you can see, I'm already started washing the fridge. The fridge is something that we keep food cold so that it can be in good, and also it needs to be cleaned once a while. For all the fridge you have to clean once a while, and normal days you have to clean every day the fridge. This is the whole fridge I'm cleaning out, inside and outside. But because of time, I had to wash inside. So the next time when I upload a video, I'll show you how to wash inside and outside, because in this video I'm showing you inside because as you can see, I couldn't be able to show you all inside and outside, because the house I am, and this fridge is in the kitchen, the CCTV is in the kitchen, so I couldn't be able to show you. That is why I said in my house, when I'm doing something, I had to show you what I'm doing, but finishing I can't, because the house I am, everywhere is a CCTV. I'm sorry about that, but it's better than nothing to show. So guys, this fridge, I'm washing it. First I had to put a lot of water, because the soap, so that it can remove all soap. As you can see, I'm using my hand to remove the water, and I had to put clean water again, so that I used this several, like I can't remember, but what I can guess, 10 times when removing that soap, and so that I can leave the fridge to dry out. It took me around 2 hours to complete the fridge, plus the floor. I took almost 2 hours, because the woman I'm staying with is another woman. You may start asking yourself, that's only the fridge, how can I took 2 hours? I had to wash the fridge with soap almost 5 times using the fridge. And guys, you can't imagine that is how the fridge I wash, how the woman like it. Sometimes we have to do the things the way someone like, not the way we like, because this is not my house, this is not my father's house, this is a stranger's house. And for a stranger's house, you have to be more careful. When you are doing work, you have to be very, very careful to do the work that brought you, to do what the people in that house are they want. If you don't do the way they need, they will make you repeat that thing, the same work until you are exhausted. And I didn't want that. That is why I was very, very, very careful by doing that. Guys, I think if you do work with all your heart, no matter how the owner of that thing you are doing does not appreciate you, don't lose hope. Don't. Yes, you can get sad sometimes, but you just say in your heart that it's a matter of time. One day they will realize, when you are not around, they will realize that you are important to them. So guys, I think we shall continue on our next video. Please like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Do not forget to leave a wonderful, beautiful comment for your queen. Always make this queen too. Always make, if you leave a comment, a good one for your queen, she always be happy. She always be happy how you always support her. She loves you. She is very grateful to you guys, and I'm so happy. Please also share with your families and friends. See you on my next video. Bye bye.
You wanna know what's beginning of love? You look so high, but you can't see enough. Just